Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Brabus G700 G-Wagon, the ultimate luxury off-roader that blends sheer power, opulence, and rugged capability into one breathtaking package. Brabus, known for taking Mercedes-Benz models to the next level, has once again redefined the G-Wagon with aggressive styling, performance upgrades, and an interior that screams luxury. Whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or someone who loves commanding the streets in a high-performance SUV, this machine is designed to turn heads and deliver an unmatched driving experience. Under the hood, the Brabus G700 is powered by a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque. This is a significant bump from the stock AMG G63, making the G700 not just an off-road warrior but also a high-performance beast on the asphalt. The upgraded turbos and Brabus engine tuning ensure that power delivery is smooth yet explosive, allowing the G700 to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.3 seconds. That's an insane figure for an SUV that weighs over 2.5 tons. The 9-speed automatic transmission provides seamless shifts, optimizing performance in both urban environments and rugged terrains. Brabus didn't just stop at increasing power. The exhaust system has been completely overhauled with a custom Brabus stainless steel setup that offers an aggressive, deep growl. With an adjustable exhaust mode, you can choose between a menacing roar that announces your arrival or a subdued note for a more refined drive. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures that power is effectively distributed to all four wheels, providing exceptional grip on any surface. Whether tackling rocky trails, deep sand dunes, or snowy mountain roads, the Brabus G700 remains unfazed thanks to its advanced off-road capabilities. The exterior design of the 2025 Brabus G700 is nothing short of menacing. The wide-body kit gives it an even more aggressive stance, featuring flared wheel arches, a custom Brabus front grille, and a redesigned bumper with larger air intakes for better cooling. Carbon fiber accents are found throughout the body, from the hood scoop to the roof-mounted LED light bar, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The massive 24-inch forged Brabus monoblock wheels wrapped in high-performance all-terrain tires complete the look, ensuring that this SUV dominates both the streets and the trails. Stepping inside, the G700's interior is a testament to Brabus' commitment to luxury. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are custom crafted with exquisite stitching, providing supreme comfort and support. Ambient lighting allows for full customization, letting you set the mood with a spectrum of colors. The infotainment system remains state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display with seamless integration for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Rear passengers are treated to executive-level comfort with reclining seats, built-in massage functions, and entertainment screens mounted on the back of the front headrests. The panoramic sunroof adds to the airy, luxurious feel of the cabin. Safety and technology are top-notch in the 2025 Brabus G700. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, ensure a secure driving experience. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of the surroundings, essential for navigating tight city streets or tricky off-road trails. The adaptive suspension system intelligently adjusts to different terrains, offering the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling rugged paths, the G700 delivers a smooth yet responsive ride. Fuel economy is not the main priority for a beast like this, but Brabus has worked to make the engine as efficient as possible given its massive output. The G700 is expected to deliver around 14-16 miles per gallon, which is respectable for a high-performance luxury SUV of this caliber. However, if you're considering the G700, fuel efficiency is likely the least of your concerns. The primary focus is on power, luxury, and presence, and in that regard, this SUV excels without compromise. Customization is where Brabus truly shines, allowing owners to tailor the G700 to their exact specifications. From unique paint finishes to personalized interior materials and custom badging, the possibilities are virtually endless. Brabus also offers performance upgrades for those who want even more power, as well as bespoke exterior modifications that make each G700 a unique masterpiece. If exclusivity is what you seek, Brabus ensures that your vehicle stands out in any crowd. The 2025 Brabus G700 G-Wagon is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of luxury off-roading, blending brute power with unparalleled refinement. Whether you're conquering the great outdoors or making an entrance in the city, the G700 delivers an experience that few vehicles can match. With its aggressive styling, monstrous performance, and ultra-luxurious interior, this is a vehicle for those who demand the best and accept no compromises. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs, the G700 is undoubtedly one of the most exciting options in 2025. That's it for today's deep dive into the Brabus G700. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio. We bring you the best car reviews, specs, and features, covering everything from performance monsters to everyday drivers. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.